your plans are down on your clipboard. Make sure your hands are in your lap. We're not standing our crayons up. They're laying down. Thank you. Okay, we are going to review a couple of numbers that we've been working on. Okay? We're still practicing on how to count them and then write the correct number. Okay? So let's take a look and review this number. 4. This is the number 4. How many black dots are at the top of number 4? There's 2, because we have to start at the top. How many times? 2 times. Okay? We have to start at the top and go down and over. Then you have to pick your crayon or marker or pencil up and go back to the top and go down some more. So let's practice doing that. Put your hand on your shoulder. And then your other hand's going to go up in the air. All right, say it with me. Down and over. Stop. Back up to the top. And down some more. That's how you make the number 4. So let's take a look. How many dots do we have on this one? 1. Not enough. How many dots on this one? 3. Remember where 3 goes?
Behind your back. On your nose.
No. Behind your back. Behind your back. Ooh, it's been a long weekend. Whoa. How many dots are these? 5. So where do your hands go?
Knees.
Let me see. We're not clapping our knees. We're just putting our hands on our knees. How many dots are these? 2. Those go on your head. 2 goes on your head. Whoa. How many dots are these? 4. You touch your nose for 4. Okay. Are you ready? You mark. Set. It must be number 3. It's behind your back. It must be number 5. Your hands are on your knees. Must be number 2. Your hands are on your head. Oh, it must be number 4. Your fingers on your nose. Must be number 1. You clapped 1 time. Good job. All right, one more time through. Oh, we're getting tricked. How many dots? Where does our finger go? On our nose. Ooh, careful. 5 is on your knees.
Okay.
Yes, 2 is on your head.
Nose.
Nose, because it's how many? 4. 1 clap must be number 1. Ooh, behind your back, it must be number 3. It must be 5, but we're not clapping hands. We're not slapping our knees. We're just putting our hands on. Speaking of 5, let's take a look at our next number. Number 5. What comes after 4? 5. And there's the beehive. Remember, you have to go around the beehive. Where do we start? At the top. So first you have to buzz down around the hive, buzz across, and you made the number 5. Let's practice. Okay, get your hand on your shoulder. All right, here we go. We're going to buzz down around the hive. Go back up to top and buzz across. You made the number 5. All right, to do it again this time, you tell me what to do. Arms up. Buzz down around the hive. Cross. And you made the number 5. Very good. All right, well, let's take a look at our video today.
A different video. It's not on Facebook video.
Do I have a lights person? I should not hear clipboards. I should not hear crayons. We're not ready yet. There it is. Remember, we're reviewing numbers 4 and 5.
Read and write 4 and 5. I'm going to visit the place where a new school is being built. Would you like to come along?
Yeah.
Great. Follow me. Watch your step. There's a row of construction cones on the ground. Let's count together how many cones are in the row.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cones. The number 4 is written like this. Go down and over. Lift your pencil and go down once more. That's the way you make a 4. Look, a brick wall is being built over there. These bricks will be added to the brick wall. Let's count the bricks together.
Together.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4, 5. 5 bricks. The number 5 is written like this. Go down and around. Then put a flag on top.
Same thing. They start at the top. They buzz down. She said go around. We go around our hive. She said put a flag on top. We buzz across and made a 5. Either way you do it, it's still the number 5. Very good. Okay, we're going to practice counting and writing our numbers. And just like in our video, we're going to count the cones. How many cones were there? 4. Down and over. Oh, it won't let me do it down there. And down some more. But you guys are going to trace your numbers. My computer won't let me do it down there. So you guys are going to trace your numbers. So Santino, could you please turn the light on for us? Because the first thing you're going to do when you get your paper is write your name. Just your name. That's right. Name on your paper first thing. Your paper. My mask is making me say it funny. Remember, send it to the person behind you. Name on your paper. Where does it go? At the top. You put in your lap paint so you're sitting in the chair. When you're done, count your cones and write the number. Your clipboard's upside down. Turn it around, Oliver. Not your paper, your clipboard. How many cones were there?
4.
There were 4 cones. So what number would you write? You would write the number 4. Go ahead and count your bricks.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh. How many bricks were there? 5. So what number are you going to trace? You're going to trace the number 5. 4 cones and 5 bricks.
Do you circle the bricks or no?
You can if you want.
I want to circle them.
Go for it. When you're done, turn your paper over and you should have some stop signs. Yeah. All the way at the top, you should have some stop signs. Amaya, turn your paper over. thinks they know how many stop signs there are. Tegan? There's 5. Are you sure? Count. Stop, Julia. We're doing stop signs. Okay, so what number are you going to write? The number 5. But if you notice, there's 3 of them. So you have to trace it 3 times. 5, 5, 5. So go ahead and do your stop signs. Buzz down around the hive. Buzz across, and you made the number 5. When you're done with your stop signs, put your hands on your head. See who's done with their 5. Awesome. 5s, boys and girls. Okay, after we have stop signs, what do we have next? Trucks. So cement trucks. What kind of, or how many cement trucks are there?
4.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, on your 4s now. You still have to write 3 4s. But 2 of them you're going to trace, and 1 you're going to write all by yourself. So go ahead and do your trucks, and then go ahead and do the hard hats at the bottom. Count your hard hats and write the number.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, I just like. I just saw my paper. I just saw my paper, but went down to that tile. Number 4.
Alrighty, Ronald, do your blue hard hats.
I did mine already. I did my blue heart.
That's all right, Nolly. All right. Good 4, Oliver. Awesome. Good 4s. Ooh, I like that down. All right, do your hard hats there, Juliana and Lincoln. Go ahead and count and write your number. Good 4s, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome. Alrighty. Kenzie must be done. She has her hands on her head. Peyton's done. Pierce is done.
I'm done.
I see that you have your hand on your head waiting for Amaya and Naldi. Good 4s, boys and girls. Alrighty, for your homework tonight, boys and girls, when you go home tonight, you have to count. Ooh, what are those?
Owl.
Owls. Count and write your numbers. 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. And after you count your owls, you can count pigs. How many times? 1, 2, 3 times you're going to write it. And then you're going to count horses. And then you're going to count ducks.
Those are gooses.
Or geese. You can call them geese. I think it could be geese or ducks. Then, at the bottom, there's nothing. It's empty. But let me ask you this. What number is this? 4. It says that you are going to, no, you're going to draw objects to show how many. So how many objects are you going to draw if it says 4?
4.
What could you draw 4 of? Tegan?
4 hearts.
4 hearts. Peyton?
4 fruits.
Ooh, 4 fruits. Nessa?
4 families.
4 families. Mackenzie?
Watermelon.
4 watermelons. Marquand?
4 circles.
4 circles. Juliana?
Triangles.
4 triangles. Matthew?
Bugs.
4 flags. Ronald hands.
Bugs.
Frogs.
Bugs.
Oh, bugs. I'm sorry. Grady?
Sun.
4 sons. Oliver?
4 suns.
Kennedy?
Baby.
4 babies. Amaya?
4 beds.
Ooh, I like that. 4 beds. Ronald?
4 spots.
Ooh, 4 slides. Brant?
4 footballs.
4 what?
Footballs.
Footballs. I thought that's what you said. Santino?
4 X's.
4 X's. Ray?
4 dinosaurs.
4 of them. Lincoln?
Four strawberries.
Ooh, good one. Pierce?
4 apples.
4 apples. Audra?
4 basketballs.
4 basketballs. Naldi?
4 houses.
4 houses. All right, put your hands down. We'll go to the next number. What number is this? Again, you're going to draw some objects, but how many do you have to draw? You have to draw 5 of them, okay? You have to draw 5 of them. Alrighty. Okay. For our centers